Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. P&G faces challenge to CEO Mueller as chairman from environmentalist investors. New York readers Tide detergent make Procter and Gamble NYSE PG CEO faces and challenge to its chief executive John Mueller as its chairman of the board from environmental groups at its annual shareholder meeting on Tuesday, with some investors planning to vote against him in that role. Environmental non-profits including Friends of the Earth and Natural Resources Defense Council or NRDC urged shareholders to vote against Mueller as chairman and oppose two other board directors because they say P&G has taken insufficient action to deal with the risk related to deforestation in its supply chain. The groups have long targeted P&G for its reliance on virgin wood pulp to make paper products such as Charmin and Bounty. The groups request replacing Mueller with an independent chair. The New York State Covered Retirement Fund, New York City Pension Funds, and socially responsible investment firm Trillium Asset Management plan to vote against Mueller and the two board directors, Angela Berla and Patricia Wurtz, according to representatives of the shareholders and voting bulletins. Berla chairs the Governance and Public Responsibility Committee and Wurtz is a member of that committee. Trillium Chief Advocacy Officer Jonas Kron said in an email that investors have high expectations of P&G and its board after passing a shareholder resolution in 2020 calling for it to issue a report on how it could change efforts to end deforestation. The board action to date regarding deforestation have been insufficient, he said. The board's action to date regarding deforestation have been efficient, he said. Norway's sovereign wealth fund also plans to vote against Mueller. NRDC urged shareholders to vote against Mueller as chairman and oppose two other board directors because they say P&G has taken insufficient action to deal with the risk related to deforestation in its supply chain. The groups have long targeted P&G for its reliance on virgin wood pulp to make paper products such as Charmin and Bounty. The groups request replacing Mueller with an independent chair. The New York State Covered Retirement Fund, New York City Pension Funds, and socially responsible investment firm Trillium Asset Management plan to vote against Mueller and the two board directors, Angela Berla and Patricia Wurtz, according to representatives of the shareholders and voting bulletins. Berla chairs the Governance and Public Responsibility Committee and Wurtz is a member of that committee. Trillium Chief Advocacy Officer Jonas Kron said in an email that investors have high expectations of P&G and its board after passing a shareholder resolution in 2020 calling for it to issue a report on how it could change efforts to end deforestation. The board action to date regarding deforestation have been insufficient, he said. The board's action to date regarding deforestation have been efficient, he said. Norway's sovereign wealth fund also plans to vote against Mueller, according to voting notice on its website. In its voting guidelines, and fund say it doesn't support a CEO also serving as board chair. A spokesperson declined to comment further. Institutional Shareholder Service (INC) and Glass Lewis firm that make widely follow recommendations on voting for investors say shareholders should support Mueller and the two directors. ISS said investors should take caution when supporting Mueller and the directors because of ongoing concerns regarding deforestation. NRDC last year also asked investors to vote against Barely. She received fewer votes than other directors, but others received more than 90% support. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.